Hello. I'd also like to demonstrate here, after illustrating the shotgun, another gun, the Smith & Wesson Model 10. And this is a Snub Nose. It's a Snub Nose revolver, Smith & Wesson, that, as you can see, is a 6-shot. Not just a 5 like the regular J-frames. This is built on a K-frame, but it's a Snub Nose. And they're fairly inexpensive to buy as used guns. Smith & Wesson doesn't make them anymore, but the frame's fairly heavy, so it absorbs recoil, but it is concealed. It's concealed enough to carry, even slip in your pocket, depending on how deep your pocket is. Very good gun. Just a regular belt holster here, or you can put it in inside the waistband holster. Easy to carry. Here we go. Pretty easy, huh? You'll notice there are a few misfires there, and that was because those are reloads, and apparently the primer wasn't pushed in far enough, or I need to adjust that a little bit, but otherwise this is a great gun. It's not a fault, that wasn't a fault of the gun. This is a great gun. It shoots well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.